Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today what we're working on is a 2007 Chrysler 300. I'm going to go ahead and generate this remote. This is an Xhorse XN model, so we're going to go into our Xhorse Pro Max tool and generate this remote. So we're going to go to remote programming. We're going to go to Chrysler. Nope. We're going to go to Chrysler. I did look up the FCC ID number with the little chart that I have. So here it's going to be this one right here, the KOBDT04A. If you can see there, it's XN or XE. It doesn't have an XK option like this one. So we're going to, whenever it has those options, XN, XE, I always just use XN. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the coil. It's gonna go ahead and generate this remote specifically for that vehicle. I'm gonna use this remote to go ahead and program this chip and remote into the Chrysler 300. There you go, complete. All right, we went ahead and arrived into the customer's house. We find the OBD2 port and we connect the Autel 508 to go ahead and program the key we had generated. So we're gonna turn the ignition on. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the hotspot to make sure it has the wireless signal. We're gonna go to the EMO section. So what I like to do is I like to auto VIN the vehicle so it can automatically get all the information, then choose the correct option, which is a Chrysler. If you can see there, that's the VIN. So here we're going to choose the blade read pin bypass option. So we're going to turn the ignition off and on. Then it's going to connect. So you see there, it read the password. So that's what we're going to need to go ahead and program the key. I like to take a picture of it just to have a record of it. So here we're going to go to the hot functions. Then we're going to go to key learning. It says here that you must erase keys, but that's not true. When you're adding keys, it doesn't erase anything. You're just going to add keys. So it's asking if you want to read the pin. It already read the pin. You push no. Then you're going to go ahead and take out the key that's already been programmed, the original, and then you're going to insert the new key that needs to be programmed and turn the ignition to the on position, then hit yes. So if you can see there, it did learn the key. So it's asking if you want to learn any more keys. We're going to push no. So previously it had 2 keys. Now if you can see there, there's 3. First thing I like to check is the remote. So if you can see there, it's functioning. The remote works. I like to check if the trunk works. That works properly also. This was a successful key programming to add a key to a 2007 Chrysler 300. There it is. Now, if you have any questions, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I'll go ahead and answer them for you.